Grocery store help.
I have some questions.
Okay, I am here to help you. Welcome to Daniel's Market.
Hi, I am looking for milk, eggs, and some apples.
The milk is in the cold section, near the back wall.
Great. Are the eggs near the milk?
Yes, they are on the right side of the same section.
Perfect. I also want apples, but I do not see them.
The fruit is near the front door. The red apples are on the first table.
Are they sold by weight or by bag?
Both. The loose apples are by weight. The bags have a fixed price.
I think a small bag is easier for me.
That is a good choice if you do not need many.
Do you have brown bread here?
Yes, the bread shelf is beside the bakery corner.
Good. I will get one small loaf.
Would you like a paper bag for your food?
Yes, please. I forgot my own bag today.
That is fine. You can pay at the checkout near the door.
Thank you for helping me find everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
One last question. Is the checkout busy now?
It is not too busy. There are only 2 people in line.
That is good. I do not have much time.
Then the first checkout will be best for you.
Great. I will go there after I get the bread. By the way, I am learning English now. Thank you for your clear explanation.
Perfect. The cashier can also scan your store card. If you want to learn English the easy way, watch videos on the Learn English with Daniel channel.
I know. I have already subscribed to that channel. Thank you.
Restaurant menu question.
Good evening. Is this table for one person available?
Yes, it is. Please sit here by the window.
Thank you. The restaurant looks very nice.
Thank you. Here's the menu. Take your time.
There are many dishes. What is easy and not too heavy?
The chicken salad is light and the vegetable soup is popular.
The chicken salad sounds good. Is the chicken grilled?
Yes, it is grilled. It is served with lettuce, tomato, and cucumber.
Does it come with bread?
Yes, it comes with one small piece of warm bread.
Great. Is the soup very spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It is warm and simple.
Then I will take the chicken salad and a small soup.
Good choice. Would you like water, tea, or juice?
Water, please. Still water is fine.
Of course. Would you like any sauce on the salad?
What sauces do you have?
We have lemon sauce and yogurt sauce.
Lemon sauce, please, but not too much.
Sure. I will put the sauce on the side.
Thank you. That is better for me.
So, 1 chicken salad, 1 small vegetable soup, and still water.
Yes, that is correct.
Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your meal.
Could I also have a napkin, please?
Of course. I will bring napkins with your water.
Thank you. Is the bread very hot?
It is warm, but not too hot to eat.
That sounds nice. I am very hungry today.
Then this light meal should be just right for you.
Hotel check-in form.
Hello, I have a reservation for tonight.
Welcome to our hotel. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it is Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation here.
Great. I booked a room online this morning.
Yes, you booked 1 single room for 2 nights.
That is right. Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, please. It is a short check-in form.
Okay, what information do you need?
Your full name, phone number, and passport number.
I have my passport with me. Here it is.
Thank you. I will copy the number carefully.
Should I write my home address too?
Yes, please write it on this line.
I see it now. Do I sign at the bottom?
Yes, sign here after you finish.
All right. Is breakfast included with my room?
Yes, breakfast is included. It is from 7 to 10.
Nice. Where is the breakfast room?
It is on the first floor, beside the elevator.
And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Good to know. Here is the completed form.
Thank you. Here is your room key, room 214.
Is it on the second floor?
Yes, take the elevator, then turn left.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi name and password are on this card.
Thank you. Is the room quiet at night?
Yes, your room faces the small garden, not the street.
That is perfect. I need to sleep early.
Then this room should be comfortable for you.
Phone store help.
Hi, I need help with my phone, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
My phone battery is very weak. It turns off quickly.
I see. How old is the phone?
It is about 3 years old.
That can happen after a few years.
Can I change the battery here?
Yes, we can replace the battery for this model.
How long does it take?
Usually about 1 hour, if we have the battery in stock.
Do you have it today?
Let me check the system. Yes, we have one.
Great. How much does it cost?
The battery and service cost $45.
That is okay. Will I lose my photos?
No, changing the battery should not delete anything.
That is good. I was worried about that.
It is still smart to back up your phone when you can.
I will do that tonight. Do you need my password?
No, we do not need your password for this repair.
Perfect. That feels safer.
Please turn off the phone and sign this repair paper.
All right, when should I come back?
Come back in 1 hour. I will test the phone before you leave.
Thank you. I really need it for work.
Don't worry. We will take good care of it.
Do I get a repair number?
Yes, here is your repair ticket.
Should I show this ticket when I come back?
Yes, please bring it with you.
All right, I will keep it in my wallet.
Good. That will make pickup faster.
Office elevator talk.
Hi, Emma. Is the elevator going up?
Yes, it is. I am going to the 6th floor.
Perfect. I am going to the meeting room on the same floor.
Are you joining the sales meeting too?
Yes, but I am a little nervous. It is my first time.
Do not worry. The meeting is usually short and friendly.
That is good to hear. Do I need to speak today?
Maybe only a little. You can introduce your project.
I prepared 3 simple points last night.
That sounds enough. Clear points are better than long talk.
I agree. Is Mr. Clark strict in meetings?
He asks questions, but he is fair.
Okay, I can answer basic questions.
Just speak slowly and look at your notes.
Thanks. That helps me feel better.
We all felt nervous in our first meeting.
Really? I thought everyone was always confident.
Not always. Confidence grows with practice.
That is a good reminder.
Also, the meeting room can be cold.
I brought my jacket. Good choice, I guess.
Yes. Oh, this is our floor.
Thanks for talking with me in the elevator.
Anytime. Let's go in calmly.
All right, I am ready.
Good. You will do fine.
Do we need to bring printed papers?
No, the files are already on the meeting screen.
That is helpful. I only have my notebook.
A notebook is enough. Just write down important points.
I will. I want to learn how these meetings work.
You will learn quickly by listening first.
Camping trip plan.
Emma, did you check the weather for Saturday?
Yes, I did. It says sunny in the morning and cool at night.
That sounds good for our camping trip.
I agree. We should leave early, maybe at 8.
8 is fine. What should I bring?
Bring a warm jacket, a water bottle, and comfortable shoes.
I can do that. Do we need a tent?
My family has a small tent. It is good for 2 people.
Great. I can bring a flashlight.
Yes, please. A flashlight is important after dark.
Should we cook there or bring ready food?
Let's bring simple food. Sandwiches are easy.
Good idea. I can make cheese sandwiches.
Nice. I will bring fruit and some snacks.
What about coffee in the morning?
We can take instant coffee and a small cup.
That sounds perfect. I love coffee outside.
Me too, but we must keep the camp area clean.
Of course, we should bring a trash bag.
Exactly. Also, do not forget your phone charger.
I have a small power bank.
Great. The place is near the lake, so it will look beautiful.
I want to take pictures there.
Me too, but let's enjoy the quiet time as well.
You are right. It will be a peaceful weekend.
I am excited already.
Is it safe to swim in the lake?
There is a small swimming area, but only during the day.
Good to know. I will not swim at night.
That is smart. We should follow the signs there.
Yes, safety first.
Exactly. A fun trip should also be a safe trip.
Pharmacy product question.
Excuse me, I need something for a sore throat.
Of course. Do you have a fever?
No, I do not have a fever. My throat just hurts.
I understand. Do you have a cough too?
A little, but not too much.
These throat lozenges can help. They are easy to use.
How often should I take them?
You can take one every few hours, but read the label first.
Okay. Are they strong?
No, they are mild. They are good for simple throat pain.
Do they have sugar?
This box has sugar. This other box is sugar-free.
I will take the sugar-free ones, please.
Sure. Would you also like a warm drink powder?
What does it do?
It can help you feel comfortable when you have a cold.
Is it medicine?
It is a cold drink mix. If your symptoms get worse, see a doctor.
That makes sense. I will take the lozenges only today.
Okay, drink plenty of water and rest.
I will. How much is this box?
It is $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Should I avoid cold drinks today?
Warm drinks may feel better for your throat.
I can drink warm tea at home.
That is a good idea. Also, try to rest your voice.
I talk a lot at work, so I will be careful.
Good. Come back if you need more help.
City Museum visit.
Hi, is this the information desk for the City Museum?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I want to visit the history rooms first.
Good choice. The history rooms are on the second floor.
Is there a map of the museum?
Yes, here is a free map.
Thank you. The building looks big.
It is big, but the map is simple.
How long does a normal visit take?
About 1 hour for a short visit and 2 hours for everything.
I have about 90 minutes.
Then you can see the history rooms and the city model.
The city model sounds interesting.
It shows the old streets and the river.
Great. Are photos allowed inside?
Photos are allowed, but please do not use flash.
Okay, I will turn the flash off.
Thank you. Also, please keep your voice low in the quiet rooms.
That is okay. Is there an audio guide?
Yes, but it costs $3.
I think I will use the map today.
That is fine. The signs are clear.
Where should I start from here?
Go straight, then take the stairs on your left.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum.
Is there a cafe inside the museum?
Yes, there is a small cafe on the ground floor.
Nice. I may stop there after the visit.
It is beside the gift shop, so it is easy to find.
Great. I will start with the history rooms now.
Perfect. Have a wonderful visit.
Birthday party arrival.
Emma, I think we are here early.
Yes, but that is okay. The party starts in 10 minutes.
I brought the gift and the birthday card.
Great. The card looks nice.
I hope it is not too simple.
Simple is fine. Kind words are more important.
That's true. Do you know where to put the gift?
There is a gift table near the living room door.
Good. I will put it there carefully.
Do you want to sign the card now?
Yes, can I borrow your pen?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. I will write Happy Birthday. Have a wonderful year.
That is friendly and clear.
Do you think we should help with the food?
Maybe later. First, let's say hello when the host comes.
Good idea. I can see balloons near the window.
Yes, and the cake is on the kitchen table.
It smells like chocolate. And
I think it is chocolate cake with strawberries.
that sounds delicious.
Remember, we should wait until everyone sings.
Of course, I will not touch the cake.
The music is starting now.
Nice. This party feels warm and happy.
Yes, I think it will be a lovely evening.
I am glad we came early.
Me too. We can enjoy it without rushing.
Should we take off our coats?
Yes, the coat rack is near the door.
I will put mine there after I place the gift.
Good idea. Then we can greet everyone more easily.
I hope I remember all the names.
Do not worry. I can remind you quietly.
Vocabulary quiz practice.
Emma, can we practice vocabulary for 10 minutes?
Sure. The quiz is tomorrow, right?
Yes, and I still forget some words.
Do not worry. Let's start with easy words.
Okay. Ask me the first one.
What does cheap mean?
It means not expensive.
Correct. Now, what is the opposite of clean?
Dirty.
Good. Use dirty in a sentence.
My shoes are dirty after the rain.
Very good. Next word, crowded.
Crowded means many people in one place.
Nice. Can you make a sentence?
The bus is crowded in the morning.
Perfect. Now, what does receipt mean?
It is the paper you get after you pay.
Exactly. That is useful in shops.
I remember that from real life.
Real examples help a lot.
Can we practice one more hard word?
Sure. The word is appointment.
Appointment means a planned time to meet someone.
Yes, for example, a doctor appointment.
I have a dentist appointment at 3.
Great sentence. You are ready.
I feel better now.
Study a little tonight, but do not stay up too late.
I will sleep early. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Good luck tomorrow.
Can we review 5 words again before we stop?
Sure. Cheap, dirty, crowded, receipt, and appointment.
Cheap, dirty, crowded, receipt, appointment.
Excellent. Say them slowly one more time.
Cheap, dirty, crowded, receipt, appointment.
Much better. Your pronunciation is clear.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.